Welcome everybody to Hannah's Corner. I'm Hannah, and this is another episode of What's in the Box. Today we are going to be opening this box that you see. It's a FedEx delivery, and we'll see what's inside. If you like this type of content, hit the like button. If you want to see more content from us, hit the subscribe button, the little bell icon down below, and you can let you know when we put up more videos. So let's take a look and to see what's inside the box. Alright, let's get into this. Forget how to open these. But we'll work on it. Sorry for the sound, it's just all the factory seals. They're a little bit tough to get into. There we go. Alright, here we go. Alright, bubble wrap. It's got a bag. Oh, it's got something green. It's all green. It says Razer on the side. Ha! So, it is the Razer Ripsaw HD. It's a capture card for streaming. Basically, as you can see on the back, it will be able to hook into the computers and hook into other HDMI ports, and it has a Type-C port. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Try to be careful with the box. And Razer always has a good packaging, so comes with still a nice little letter that you can see. It's got a few different things on it. It's a greetings letter, and it's a nice little foam package. And this is it. Let's open this up. It's got a nice little clean look to it. There's the for mic, for headset. There's the all the stuff on the bottom. Got a 2 HDMI, 1 out, 1 in. Got a Type-C port. And it's a nice little box. Let's see, is there anything else inside this box? Got the instruction manual. Explains how to use it. Oh, hey, patented. Always get the stickers. What else do we got in here? Sometimes the box doesn't want to cooperate, but got a bunch of stuff in here. Ooh, it's a bunch. So it looks like we have, I think this is an HDMI cable. I'm not 100% sure because there's no labels on it. And, yep, that's what it is, HDMI cable to HDMI. And it's probably about a 6-foot cable, 3 foot, 6 foot. What's this one? Got a couple cables here. Got one that's a regular USB 3, most likely, and a Type-C. And the other one is a audio cable, just connect in any speakers or headset. And they come with a nice little holder. Yeah, so that's basically what came in the box. Alright, everybody. So, as you saw, got the Razer Ripsaw HD. It does 4K output. Retailed for about $159.99 for the whole thing, but it will produce so you can do video cameras and DSLRs to hook up to a computer, or if you need to link into your computer with when you're doing streaming for your like video game systems, consoles, and everything like that. But that's it for today's What's in the Box. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like the content, hit the thumbs up like button. If you want to subscribe, if you want to see more content, subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you know that when we go live with new videos. And all the descriptions down below, there'll be a Amazon link to where you can buy the stuff that you see in this video. For that, be good to yourself and each other. Have a good day.